It is now my great honor and deep pleasure, by the power invested in me by the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, I declare the Centennial School District William Tennant High School class of 2012 to be graduated.
Graduates to turn the tassel to the left side of your cap. Congratulations.